Hi students, let's try to derive the Nernst equation student. How can you derive it student? For the cathode student, you can take the cathode. Okay, we are actually checking the zinc and copper electrode student. This we are taking, right? So here we are for cathode. If you talk about the cathode will be the copper. So E copper 2 plus upon copper is equal to, because here the reaction is what is there, copper 2 plus 2 electron, it is going to be copper. So here you see equal to E naught cell, and E naught cell will be, that is the same copper for half reaction, Cu2 plus upon Cu minus it is RT upon NF, it is ln. What it can be student, 1 upon Cu2 plus. This is the equation number 1 friend. For a node, if you talk for a node, so what we can write, E Zn2 plus upon going to be Zn is equal to E naught again Zn2 plus upon Zn minus RT upon NF ln 1 upon Zn2 plus. This is going to be equation number 2. Now dear student, E naught cell is equal to, what is going to be, E naught cathode minus E naught anode. This we know already. So what we can do here for the E naught cell, we are simply putting the value of the cathode here. So E naught copper 2 plus upon copper, right, minus RT upon NF ln 1 upon Cu2 plus minus, here we are writing in the bracket, E naught Zn2 plus upon Zn2 plus upon Zn minus RT upon NF ln 1 upon Zn2 plus. This is there. Now let us try to solve it out. So after solving, we are just solving the bracket only. E naught copper 2 plus upon copper minus RT upon going to be NF ln 1 upon Cu2 plus minus, for the zinc if you are writing, it is going to be minus E naught Zn2 plus upon Zn minus minus plus RT upon NF ln 1 upon Zn2 plus. This is there. Now we can take something we can take common student. What the common? E naught this and E naught this. E naught cathode minus E naught anode. This can be the common we can take here. So let it write like that, E naught Cu2 plus upon Cu minus E naught Zn2 plus upon Zn. This is the one term minus we are taking the common student. So if you see this one, this term and this term, that is going to be common. So minus RT upon NF we are taking as a common. This is there. Then it is ln 1 upon Cu2 plus is there minus ln 1 upon Zn2 plus. Because we have taken the minus common already, so this term become the minus minus plus. So simple mathematics is there. Now you must know ln A minus ln B is equal to ln A by B. So here what we can write student, E naught Cu2 plus upon Cu minus E naught Zn2 plus upon Zn minus, what is there, RT upon NF and this is the ln a minus b. So ln 1 upon cu2 plus total divided by 1 upon zn2 plus. Now solve it out. E naught cu2 plus upon cu. So this total term will become E naught cell. So simply I am writing here E naught cell minus, it is going to be RT upon NF, and if you are rearranging this equation, Zn2 plus upon Cu2 plus, this will come. Now you can put the value of each things. E naught cell, my R value 8.314, 298, ln you are converting into log, so 2.303. This is going to be log divided by n as it is 96,500 log, this is Zn2 plus upon copper 2 plus, this is there. Now if you solve this term, students, so what is there? E naught cell is equal E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon n log, it is going to be Zn2 plus upon copper 2 plus, and this is the E cell. So E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 log Zn2 plus, n is equal to number of electron involved. So this is our required answer, students. We are derived the equation. This is the derivation of Nearnst equation.